Hello and welcome to everyone. I'm Francesca Gorni, and in this video we will see how to create purchase requests. Purchase requests can be created starting from the requirement dashboard. We remove the month and year filters in order to display only the total quantities. We select only cement, sand and gravel. And we click on Generate Purchase Request. Now we enter a code for the new purchase request. We choose a delivery date. And we can select a supplier as well. And we press OK. To view the purchase request created, select from Site Document and Project Control, Procurement, and Purchase Request. You can see the new purchase request on the list. The purchase request is characterized by a code, a description, a creation date, and a delivery date. We can also indicate a delivery address. We can see the amount of the purchase request and the status of the request if we have an integration with an ERP system. Below we can see the list of the items contained in each purchase request. Each item will have a code, a description, a measurement unit, a quantity, a gross price, a possible discount, a net price, and a total amount. There are also other information from the price list. It is of course possible to manually change the quantities and the price of the item. You can also create a purchase request manually, clicking on Add. It is possible to create a report of the purchase request, clicking on the report icon and selecting Purchase Request. As in all STR Vision CPM report, you can select the item description, short, extended, or both, set groups and filters, and so on. Now let's see the print preview. We can now return to the requirement dashboard and we select again Data Request. We create the dashboard again, selecting Display Purchase Request Quantity. We will be able to create a table showing the total quantity for each item and the quantities related to the purchase request. We can then calculate the difference between purchase request and total quantities using a calculated field. We select New and we enter a name for the calculated fields. We select the numeric format and we choose the purchase request parameter. Then we deduct the cost quantity. We can thus calculate the difference between the cost quantity and the purchase request quantity. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.